Hello and a very good morning to all of you. So today I'll be covering a very important topic, entrepreneurship development, and I'll be covering all the final ATU questions which were in the PDF. Okay, so let's cover quickly all the questions of given by the ATU. So our first question is, who has defined entrepreneur as an innovator? Our options are JB Say, option B is J. Schumpeter, C. Adam Smith, and D. Peter Drucker. So the right answer will be option B, which is J. Schumpeter. Next question. The process to create value through recognition of business opportunities is called as. Our options are A. Entrepreneurship, B. Entrepreneurship, C. Leadership, and D. None of these. So the right answer will be B, which is entrepreneurship. Next question. Who has recognized entrepreneurship as a process of creative destruction? Our options are A. J.B. Say, B. Richard Cantillon, C. J. Schumpeter, and D. Adam Smith. So the right answer will be option C, which is J. Schumpeter. Next question. An individual who is employee of a company and is in charge of an identifiable activity is called as. Our options are A. Ecopreneur, B. Techopreneur, C. Entrepreneur, and D. Intrapreneur. So, an individual who is already an employee of a company and is in charge of an identifiable activity. So, the right answer will be D. Entrepreneur. Next question. Nirma detergent was introduced to meet the demand of lower income group. It comes under which function of entrepreneur? Our options are A. Recognizing opportunities, B. Arranging resources, C. Supply of capital, and D. All the above. So the right answer will be D. All the above. Next question. Which one is not correct regarding emergence of women entrepreneurship in India? Our options are A. Awakening of the society, B. Gender inequality, C. Institutional support to women, and D. All the above. So the right answer will be not correct emergence of women of India is option B, which is gender inequality. Which of the following is not a risk assumed by an entrepreneur? Our options are A. Financial risk, B. Market risk, C. Production risk, D. None of these. So the right answer will be none of the above, because these are not the factors which are considered as the one of the risk by our entrepreneurs. Next question. This is right answer, none of the above. Next question. Dash are characterized by the adopting the successful innovation of others. Adopting the successful innovation of others. A. Drone entrepreneurs. B. Imitative entrepreneurs. C. Trading entrepreneurs. D. Fabian entrepreneurs. So the right answer will be those people who are specifically characterized by adopting the successful innovation of others are called as imitative entrepreneurs or called as imitative entrepreneurs. Okay. Next question. These entrepreneurs are lazy and shy and lack the will to adopt new methods. So these entrepreneurs are lazy. Our options are drone entrepreneurs, imitative entrepreneurs, C trading entrepreneurs, and D Fabian entrepreneurs. So the right answer will be D option, which is Fabian entrepreneurs. Next question. Entrepreneurship based on the inheritance is called as. Our options are A. Social entrepreneurship, B. Rural entrepreneurship, C. Family entrepreneurship, and D. Professional entrepreneurship. So the right answer will be C, which is family entrepreneurship. These entrepreneurs undertake trading and do not engage in the manufacturing are called as A. Drone entrepreneurs, B. Imitative entrepreneurs, C. Trading entrepreneurs, and D. Fabian entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs undertake trading and in the manufacturing. Okay, so of course, and do not engage in manufacturing. So the right answer will be trading entrepreneurs. They are not drone entrepreneurs, they are not imitative or Fabian, they are trading entrepreneurs. So which of the following is not a challenge for social entrepreneurs in India? Our options are inadequate finance, B. Old techniques, C. Imperfect management, and D. Achievement orientation. So the right answer will be old techniques. Old techniques. This is not a challenge for social entrepreneurs in India, and other are mentioned as a challenge for the social entrepreneurs of India. Next question. Which of the following is problem of women entrepreneurship in India? Our options are A, male dominated, B, social barriers, C, lack of information, and D, all the above. So right answer will be all the above. These all are the problems for women entrepreneurship. Next question. Which of the following favors women entrepreneurship? A, individual vision, B, government support, C, self actualization, and D, all the above. So the right answer will be individual vision, government support, self actualization. All the answers are correct. Next question. ICICI was set up in which year? 1964, 1994, 1977, and D, 1982. So ICICI was set up in 1994. 1994 will be the right answer. Next question. Which is not the challenge of women entrepreneurship in India? A, government support, B, family conflict, C, social acceptance, and D, availability of finance. Which is not the challenge of women entrepreneurship in India? A, government support is not the challenge for women entrepreneurship in India. Next question. Debenture is concerned with. Our options are A, acknowledgement of debt by a company, new project of high technology, new project having high risk. So the right answer will be debenture is concerned with acknowledgement of debt by a company. Right answer will be debenture is concerned with acknowledgement of debt by a company. Which one is served by a good business plan? Our options are help entrepreneurs to raise the funds. Option B is can help to organize the venture. Option C is provide the blueprints for business activities. And option D is all the above. So these three options they helps to entrepreneurs to raise the funds, can help to organize a new business or a new venture on the basis of their own money, and it also provide a blueprint for business activities. So the right answer will be D, which is all the above. Next question. Which of the following is the most important objective of entrepreneurial development? A, shareholders value, B, increase in profits, C, economic development, and D, business development. So the most important objective of entrepreneurial development. So right answer will be C, which is economic development. Most important objective of entrepreneurial development is economic development. Next question. Reduction in the value of asset is known as. Reduction in the value of asset. A, depreciation, B, appreciation, C, reduction of cost, and D, none. So the right answer will be A, which is depreciation. Next question. Which of these statements best describes the feasibility study? Our options are it provides a basis for investment decision, B, it examines the viability of a product, C, it gives details on market and finance, D, all the above. So the right answer will be feasibility study provides a basis for investment decision, examines the viability, and also gives the details on marketing and finance. So the right answer will be D, which is all the above. It is an in-depth analysis of project after feasibility analysis. What is it? A, project plan, B, market plan, C, project appraisal, D, none of these. The right answer will be it is project appraisal, which defines us about the depth analysis of project, what about cost and other factors after the process of feasibility analysis. The point is right answer will be project appraisal. Which of the following is the subsidiary of IDBI Bank? So the options are ICICI, IFCI, SIDBI, and D, SFC. So the right answer will be SIDBI. Next question. NISBUD was set up in which year? NISBUD is set up in which year? So the right answer will be for this question is absolutely, this is the one of the specific question. The right answer for this question is not correctly specified because the year in which NISBUD was set up was 6 July 1983. And so if we can consider the nearest year, so complete setup was done in A, which is 1984. Next question. Which of the following is used to complete the project in the minimum available time with limited resources? Our options are A. Network analysis, B. Budget analysis, C. Project scheduling, and D. Critical analysis. So the right answer will be A. Network analysis. It is A. Network analysis. So that we can complete the project in the minimum available time. Next question. Which form of financing, especially for funding first generation entrepreneurs governed by SEBI and perceived high reward projects? Which form of financing? Okay, our options are fixed capital, B current capital, C venture capital, and D debenture. So the right answer will be venture capital. Next question. Which of the following is correct for the approach of generating ideas? Our options are A. Brainstorming, B. Market research, C. Conferences and seminars, D. All the above. So the right answer for this is brainstorming. Brainstorming is a process which can cause all the people to come up certainly with a new ideas, with a bunch of new ideas. What is the meaning of feasibility study? Our options are A. Whether ideas will work or not, B. Demand assessment, C. Technology assessment, D. All the above. So the meaning of feasibility study is all the above. Demand assessment, technology assessment, whether idea will work or not, these three, all the options are right. Next question, 29. PepsiCo entry in India is an example of which force of environment? Social, political, legal, C. Economic, D. Technological. So the right answer will be B, which is politico legal. Who has given the five forces analysis? A. Ricardo, B. J. Schumpeter, C. J. Schumpeter, C. Michael Porter, and D. None of these. So the right answer will be Michael Porter was the one person who gave this five forces analysis. Next question. Which of the following should not be included in pestle analysis? Our options are A. Government recycling policy, B. Reduction in interest rates, C. Competitor activity, and D. None. So which of the following factors should not be included in pestle analysis? So the right answer will be C, which is competitor activity. Next question. Which of the following is the analysis of cost and benefits of a proposed project with the goal of assuming a rational allocation of limited funds? Our options are A. Project formulation, B. Project appraisal, C. Project evaluation, and D is project design. So the right answer will be B. Project appraisal. The document gives a comprehensive picture of the entire business plan. Our options are executive summary, B research article, C business plan, and D none of these. So the right answer will be C option, which is business plan. Which industrial sector promotes small scale businesses and entrepreneurship and has lower barriers to market entry? Our options are A services, B manufacturing, C agriculture, and D logistics. So the right answer will be option A, which is services. Question number 35. A feasibility study of a project contains following aspect: A technical, B commercial, C financial, and D all the above. The right answer for this question will be all the above. Option D is the correct answer. Why are small businesses important to a country's economy? Our options are A. Promote entrepreneurship, B. Good for economy, C. Innovators of new products, and D. All the above. So the option, right answer will be option D, which is all the above. Next question. A key aspect of the production section of the business plan is. Our options are a statement of management skill. Option B is realistic sales forecast. Option C is production capacity. And option D is a description of competitors. So the right answer will be option B, which is realistic sales forecast. Next question. To provide financial assistance to entrepreneurs, the government has set up a number of dash. A. Financial advisors, B. Financial agents, C. Financial institutions, and D. Financial analysts. So the right answer will be C, which is financial institutions. Next question. In which type of business ownership the interest cannot be transferred by one person? Our options are A. Public enterprise, B. Partnership firm, C. Joint stock company, and D. Sole proprietorship. So the right answer for this is public enterprise. Is public on enterprise. Next question. The process by which an entrepreneur monitors the relevant environment to identify strength and weakness is called A. Idea generation, B. Environmental scanning, C. Environmental filtration, C. Environment filtration, and D. Environmental tapping. So the right answer will be B. Sorry, which so the right answer will be B, which is environmental scanning. That's all. That's all for today. I'll covering other 40 questions also. That's it for now. And next video I'll be covering other 40 questions of AKTU. Till then, bye bye. See you. Thank you.